I want to share some tips for you for living in harmony with autumn. It's such a great time for the body to come in and begin nestling and settling down, embracing the rising yin energy. The first tip is less is best. You want to think about moderation in all things, moderation in food, how much you eat, the seasoning of your food, really simplifying your exercise as well as your emotions. Early to bed, early to rise is really simple way also to improve your healing. It lets you embrace the nighttime, get the rest you need, and calm the energy. So ideally, don't stay up any later than 11 p.m. And if you can get to sleep around 9:30, that's even better. You want to get lots of fresh air and dress in layers. If you dress too warmly early on, your body won't know how to adapt to the cold weather. You want the body to feel a little bit of the chill, so as the weather gets colder, your body gets better able to handle it and your circulation stays strong. Another important tip is to harmonize your emotions. You want to cultivate optimism. If the news gets you down or stressed or worried, keep it to a minimum. Any people that are around you that bring you down or cause you stress, just do what you need to do and then let go of their energy. Calming your mind is really important as well to harmonize your emotions. Don't let it skip and race over the past, the future. Really try and be in the present. And then lastly, for your emotions, make time for them, especially for letting go of grief. The season of autumn is the season of grief, and the time to feel those emotions and then learn the lessons so you can release them. The last thing brings us into nature, the last tips here. In China, when I lived there, everybody would go out and walk the mountain or the hill, the tallest thing where they were. They made weekend excursions of it. It's such a traditional ritual, so try and at least walk one mountain this autumn. Exercising in nature, doing qigong outside, or doing your other favorite exercise outside is really important. And then lastly, breathe deeply. In this season of the lungs, we want to make sure we're using all parts of our lungs, thinking about them as a 360-degree, three-dimensional organ within our body, which they are, and moving through our deep breath. I hope these tips help you have a healthy, beautiful, amazing autumn and embrace your yin energy.